Hi there, I'm Cecilia Freitas of RE/MAX Premier Prestige Properties, and I'm really excited to introduce this incredible newly renovated custom bungalow with a 3-car garage. Rarely does an opportunity present itself to acquire 5,400 square feet of luxury finishes, defining the concept of modern living. This home has a fresh, contemporary feel with a wow factor. You'll want to make this your special home at 119 Wilshire Boulevard in Weston Downs. Please join me and enjoy the tour. The relaxed but sophisticated look of the rooms have an abundance of ceiling space and light. This custom kitchen blends seamlessly into the surrounding dining and living areas. You'll fall in love with the refined designer feel and individual elegance of this modern family home. If you're really excited to see this beautiful home and would like to book a private and confidential viewing, you may contact me at cecilia@ceciliadefreitas.com, or you can just ring me at 905-605-8887.